Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
In this segment, we would be seeing how to represent an answer in the form of a context map. Context map is nothing but a visual representation of an answer which makes retrieving or recalling the key points very, very easy. Now, this is a very small or a simple paragraph about Himalayas or the northern mountains. Let us see how to represent this para in the form of a context map. We always begin from the question. This question is about northern mountains. So, I am just going to put it in the center. I am going to use black and I am just going to put it in the center, northern mountains. In the para, the first line talks about Himalayas. So, the child has to know that Himalayas is another name for northern mountains, because the question can come, write a note on Himalayas also. So, I am going to introduce the word Himalayas into the center portion. So, bar Himalayas. The first sentence talks to you about the meaning of the word Himalayas, which means abode of snow. So, I am going to draw a subarm and then I am going to put the word meaning. What is its meaning? It means abode of snow. So, this would be the subarm of the main arm. So, the main arm is the meaning, the subarm would be abode of snow. So, Himalayas meaning abode of snow. So, the next few lines talks about the three ranges which are present in the northern mountains. So, I am going to use a pink for the next arm, which talks about the three ranges, which is Himachal meaning the great Himalayas, Himadri meaning the middle Himalayas, and the third would be Shivalik. So, as and when possible, we can substitute a word with pictures, because using pictures makes the context map more interesting, and pictures are anyhow very, very easy to recall. So, instead of using the word Shiva, I am just going to draw the third eye of the Shiva, and then I will say lik, Shivalik, which means the outer Himalayas. In this way, we will proceed to do the whole context map. So, this is what a finished context map would look like, and for your reference, the important points are highlighted in the paragraph shown. Once the context map has been done, the child has to be made comfortable visualizing the whole context map. Learning has to be done using the context map. Now, how do we go about doing learning? Ask the child what was the first arm that we drew. So, what was the arm that we drew? Meaning. How many subarms did he see? There was only one subarm, and what was written on top? Abode of snow. What was written below the first arm? What color did he see in that arm? The second arm drawn was the three ranges. How many subarms did he see? What was written on the subarms? Was there any word or it was only pictures? Proceed to verbalize the whole context map till the child is very, very comfortable with the whole of the context map. then you will have to follow it up with writing in the form that they are expected to do in an exam. The main advantage of using a context map is that once the child is very comfortable using the context map, he would be able to retrieve answers for all type of questions. Say for example, if there is a fill in the blanks asking Himalayas means, so he would just go to the arm that says meaning and he would pick up and write abode of snow. Or if the question is about importance of rivers for 2 marks, he just goes to the arm that says importance and just picks out those 3 points and write it as answer. Now, if it is a 5-mark question or a detailed answer, write a note on northern mountains. He just has to write the entire context map in the form of a para. Please note that a context map is very useful for children with thought management issues, because it is easier for them to go into arms, because as you remember, for them it would be very difficult to go from general to specific. Going to specific here is very easy. They need not skim the whole paragraph.